NILIT functions under which Ministry of the Government of India? A. Ministry of Education. B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MIT. Y. C. Ministry of Science or Technology. D. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Answer. B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The Union Minister has inaugurated 5 new centers under the NILIT, National Institute of Electronics or Information Technology, platform, to provide digital education to students across India using tools like AI and ChatGPT. Names of the 5 new centers: Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh; Muzaffarpur, Bihar; Balasore, ODISSA; Langle, Mizoram; Daman, Diu. The venue for the 11th World Green Economy Summit is: A. Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Centre. B. Dubai World Trade Center. C. Sharjah Expo Center. D. Al Masjid Al Haram, Mecca. Answer. B. Dubai World Trade Center event, 11th edition of World Green Economy Summit, WGES. Dates: the 1st to the 2nd of October 2025. Venue: Dubai World Trade Center, United Arab Emirates, UAE. Theme: Innovating for Impact, Accelerating the Future of the Green Economy. Who is the current Attorney General of India as of 2025? A. Mukul Rohtagi. B. R. Venkataramani. C. K.K. Venugopal. D. Gulam Vahanvati. Answer. B. R. Venkataramani. The Attorney General of India is the highest law officer of the country. He is like the Chief Legal Advisor to the Government of India. Mentioned in Article 76 of the Indian Constitution. He is appointed by the President of India on the advice of the government. To be appointed Attorney General, a person must be qualified to become a judge of the Supreme Court, must be a citizen of India, must have been a High Court judge for at least 5 years, or High Court advocate for at least 10 years, or a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. Which country became the 8th nation to adopt India's Unified Payments Interface, UPI, for instant digital payments in 2025? Options: A. United Arab Emirates, UAE. B. Qatar. C. Singapore. D. Sri Lanka. In September 2025, Qatar officially became the 8th country to integrate India's UPI system for digital payments. This initiative allows Indian tourists, expatriates, and local users in Qatar to make seamless payments using UPI QR codes at point-of-sale terminals. The first 7 countries that adopted UPI were: 1. Bhutan, 2021; 2. France, 2022; 3. Mauritius, 2022; 4. Nepal, 2024; 5. Singapore, 2024; 6. Sri Lanka, 2024; 7. UAE, 2025. Who wrote the special foreword for Giorgia Meloni's autobiography for the Indian edition? Options: A. Yogi Adityanath. B. Narendra Modi. C. S. Jaishankar. D. Ramnath Kovind. Answer: B. Narendra Modi. Checkmark. Explanation: for the Indian edition, Prime Minister Narendra Modi wrote a special foreword. He described Meloni's journey as inspiring and historic, comparing it to his own Mann Ki Baat communication style.